What's up, everybody? It's Jen with Parcel and Page. I got my Hubman and Chubgirl September subscription box. So let's open it up and see what we have. Maybe. Oh, Fairy Garden. This is the very first time that I ordered an ultimate subscription box. I usually get the journaling, but I am beyond in love with fairies. I always have been, even when I was a kid. My very first tattoo was of a fairy. So let's open this guy up and see what we have. I just gotta say, if there was ever a box made for me, this is the one. So we open, see, everybody talks about the really cute boxes, and they are adorable. They're themed, or printed rather, to whatever the theme is for the month. And not really concerned with the sticker. People save them. I don't really care about the sticker. I do like the vellum paper though. Or, well, it's not vellum, it's regular. Let's see. Oh, okay. This is adorable. That's going somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to put her, if I'm going to try and make a magnet out of it or put it on a bag that I use, but she's really cute. Again, exclusive to the Ultimate subscription. And we have washi tapes. We have Fairy Magic, which is the 10mm. And that's cute. We'll swatch these in a little bit. And then Fairy Garden, which is the 15. You can order these separately. They do come with the Ultimate subscription. And then we have our 5 vinyl cuts, which are, these are exclusive to the Ultimate. So let's see. Actually, you might be able to order these separately, but you don't get them with any other subscription. We have a freaking adorable fairy. And another freaking adorable fairy. This one's with flowers. I think this is a, I don't know. Oh, she's just walking. That's her little dress. She's walking. And another adorable fairy making wishes on a flower, or just holding it, whichever you want it to be. Oh, they're so cute. I can't stand it. These I actually may put on one of my water bottles. They are really good quality. They're vinyl. They're UV resistant. They can be stuck on metal things. Like I said, might put it on my Owala cup. We'll have to see. So there's the die cut stickers from the subscription pack. Then we'll get into the Hobonichi Cousin kit. It's the monthly. I don't have a Hobonichi set. I may end up ordering one just for like a catch-all kind of a planner and using my dot journal as an actual journal. I was thinking of just using paper, but anyway. So we have really cute designs on here. We got days of the week and some extra months and just little spots to take notes, and the bane of my existence, habit trackers. Don't like them. I think you probably know that. Then page 2, we have just our little notes for bills and stuff that are due. Cute little emojis and stuff. And then we have, I guess, functional boxes is what they're technically called, leaving notes and things. And then the washi that's included with the Hobonichi. Very cute. And decoration boxes. These fit in the columns of the Hobonichi planner for anybody who does not know that. And then some more days of the week. I have had these kits before, and I actually do use these stickers. You can use them in whatever kind. I do, like I said, I have a dot journal that I use for my journaling. So they fit in there pretty well as decorations. And then more functional boxes for the Hobonichi. Again, I do use these. And very pretty. We have our weekend stamp and some flower stickers, more washi. This isn't really washi, it's paper. The other one was too. And the little dots. I like these for reminders and stuff, these two. And look, more habit trackers. I'm so excited. I didn't think I'd have any more. Oh my god, and yes, I have more. Anyway. Weekends, and again, we have our days of the week. Very pretty. So that's the Hobonichi Cousin monthly kit. going to be honest with you, I don't really know what the difference is between a Hobonichi Cousin and just like a regular Hobonichi. I think it's the size of the notebook, but okay. Next, we have the vinyl sticker pack, which you can order separately. Doesn't come with any of the other subscription. The Ultimate basically is going to include everything except for like the not weird, new things. They have giant month stickers. They have, what else do they have? They have like ransom note letters, like junk journaling things. So this is our free, no, this is not. This is part of the vinyl subside, the vinyl stickers. Really pretty holographic fairy house. And mushrooms and butterflies with gold foil. So pretty. Now this one is actually washi. They're just strips, but they're really pretty butterflies. Do I have that upside down? No. Okay. And now, oh my god. Oh my, it's so sweet. Little fairies in a holographic plastic. This one's nothing. I mean, it might be vinyl, but it's not the same kind of vinyl. I'm going to call this plastic. And there's those. These I love. If I can get it off. These also are plastic. These I love for like the bottom of a page to create little scenes. Maybe in between some dates if I leave it, if I leave like a spot up top or on the bottom, I'll stick them in there. Love. And these are so sweet. They're little picture frames or frames. You can either cut this out with it. It's all one piece, so you can either cut it out with a knife or you can leave it as is, put something behind it like a window, or put something right on top of it. Beautiful. And last but not least, gold butterflies. Love that. And then here's the background card for the vinyl sticker sheets. I usually keep these and incorporate them in a spread somewhere. Every once in a while, I won't order the vinyl sticker pack because I think, I never use all the stickers. And every time I do that, I regret not having it. That's what's happening this month with the Safari Adventure theme, which I'll just do a flip through on that one. But anyway, variety sticker pack. Now we have our planner kit. Again, this is one of the sets that's available on its own, one of the monthly sets. I think each of the monthlies, other than the vinyl sticker, I think that one's either 12 or 17 a month. The rest of them, I believe, are 27. So here's our planner stickers. Little things. And more functional boxes. These I like a lot better than the Hobonichi. They're larger and wider. Even if it's not by much, it is. Do I still have them or did I put them? No, I think. Oh, wait, no. You can see the difference in the sizes. Well, no, that's not one. Here we go. So you can see they are quite a bit wider. So these are easier for a dot journal. Although dot journals, you can make whatever you want. Doesn't matter. And more scenes. And we'll call this pseudo washi. It's really paper vinyl-y-ish material. And some lists, to-do lists, little however you want to use it, important things that you want to remember throughout the month. Yay. Not even going to say it. And some more little boxes. This is a planner marker, so you can stick this on the edge of your journal, write off what month it is. That way you don't lose them in there, especially if they get chunky like mine do. And then some more little dots for lists or however you want to use it. Another set of dates. See, this is, I guess, one of the things I don't like about the Ultimate subscription is you really do get a ton of everything. I'm not going to need all the date dots this comes with, but that's okay. And to-do lists, days of the week, weekends. And I also absolutely love the colors in this. Purple and like teal, I guess, are my two favorites. So that works out nicely. And last in the planner kit, more days of the week. This will take you through the whole month. I think there should be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, five separate weeks. So that'll do the whole month for you. Okay. I will start moving this because it's a mess. Okie dokie. Now, this is what would be, okay, first of all, this is the insert that you get. I get this every month with the journaling pack. These are great for holding stickers. Hubman and Chubgirl do have the sticker binders with the 6 rings, and these fit right in there. It holds the smaller stickers there. They call them planner stickers, and then the larger vinyl sheets here. So this is the journaling subscription. You get months of the week in both large format and 5, one for each week if you want it. And we have our smaller months, days of the week. I love, love, love these colors. They're gorgeous, in my opinion. And date dots. I use this for my calendar spreads. And then days of the week, again for my calendar. And again, date dots that aren't dots, they're squares. So these I use for the individual days within the journal. Then we have our small planner stickers. You get 5 sheets of these. You get a total of 10 sheets of stickers with the journaling subscription. So we have Fairy Magic, love so much, and Fairy Friends, because why wouldn't they be friends? They're so cute. And Fairy Houses. I love the mushroom fairy house. Any of you ever made a fairy house with a plastic mushroom and stuck it like in a terrarium? They're really cute to do. And little itty bitty mushrooms. Again, everything's in this like a lighter purple, pink, and a darker purple. It's kind of hard to see. My light's not so great. It is storming pretty good outside, so apologies. And happy butterflies. Very cute. Okay, moving on. Now everybody with a subscription gets these. These are the subscription die cuts. Happy mushroom. Every month there's a Hubman and Chubgirl Facebook group that you can join, and every month they put up a post where you can pick which die cuts you want, and I'm guessing it goes by majority rules because I don't think I've ever seen it not do that. So there's your 2 from your subscription. This is the free gift for the, okay, I'm just going to cut it. The free gift for the month. Free stationery item, rather. Every month you get something. I've seen paper clips, sticky notes, notepads, little mini sticker books. How flipping cute is that? It's a paper clip and it's a mushroom. It's a mushroom paper clip. That's what they all are. Purple and pink. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 8 of those. Adorable. Those really are cute. They go with that theme very well. Now, here are the vinyl sticker sheets. These are also UV coated, super thick vinyl. You can use these on pretty much anything, I believe. So these do come, I think I said this. Did I say this? That these come with every subscription? Well, if I didn't, now I did. So we got Mushroom Garden. Cute. And Dreamy Florals. Cute. Sorry. I keep hitting that. And Fluttery Garden. Cute. And here's the journaling or subscription card, journaling card for the month. Really cute. I also try and use these. A lot of the time I'll just paste this to the very front of the month, and then on the other side I'll put down, you know, what month it is. So not like I'm going to forget, but I do like to keep these and don't want to get rid of them. This, I love this subscriptions. I love it so bad. You can jump online and grab these. If you sign up for a subscription this month, this is the one you're going to get. You won't have to wait until the October subscription. They renew on the 25th of each month. So when they renew, like in August 25th, I renewed this, and this is going to be my, I'm sorry, July 25th. This is my September subscription. So I absolutely love it. If you guys got this one too, just write a little comment. Let me know what you like to do with your extra stickers when you have them left over. Oh, you know what? One other thing. The vinyl stickers, and you wouldn't believe how long it took me to realize this, they're all reverse images of each other. So if you're somebody that likes to do Dutch doors, it makes it really easy to just put these on the edges, and then you'll have the reverse image on the other side of the page. So quick tip. Anyway, let me know if you guys bought this, if you like it, what you might use it for, how you usually do your planning, if you just use your planner as a decoration, and then you also have a diary on the side. But I really love this one. I hope you guys enjoy it too, and I will talk to you next time. I forgot. Do over. I forgot to show the washi. This is the Fairy Garden, I think. No, this is Fairy, wait, this is Fairy Magic. No, yes. Fairy Magic. Oops, sorry. This is the smaller of the two washi. A lot of the time the smaller ones have like a sandy finish or gritty. This one does not, but it's because it has metallic little gold sparkles. So, oops, I don't know if you can see. Very cute. So that's Fairy Magic, the smaller, the thinner of the two. And then this one is Fairy Garden. Love this a lot. Anyway, just wanted to jump in with those. So these are your two washi tapes for the month. I do like them. They're both the thin washi. So these I like better because they just don't bulk up well, this is the only one really that bulks up your book. So won't do that. Your edges will be fine. Okay, now for real this time. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.